Let's do a compare and contrast study guide using Sheet GPT. So I've opened a new Google Sheet and I've enabled Sheet GPT, and I've made a couple of columns, and the column headings are similarities between the Soviet Union and Russia and differences between the Soviet Union and Russia. So in the column about similarities, I'll click in the cell right below the column heading and I'll type my prompt. So my prompt for the similarities column is going to be $GPT, open parentheses, quotation mark, describe 5 similarities between the Soviet Union and Russia, quotation mark, close parentheses, press enter. And now I've got 5 similarities between the Soviet Union and Russia. Now I'll do the formula for the differences. And so the differences prompt is $GPT, open parentheses, quotation mark, describe 5 differences between the Soviet Union and Russia. Quotation mark, close parentheses, I press enter. And my text is all stretched out, so I'll click in this cell and go up and click on text wrapping and select wrap. And now I've got everything for the differences in one cell. And one of the nice things is for the differences, for each difference, they put the Soviet Union and Russia right next to each other, so you can easily compare the differences. The main point here is that when you write the prompts, even though it's a compare and contrast, you don't actually use the words compare and contrast in the prompts. You use the words similarities and differences.